Were you aware that a basic gesture on the correct day can totally transform your... Fortunately, a Buddhist doctrine exists that, when properly adhered to, has the ability to align the universe's energy with imagine attracting what your deepest wishes desire. Wealth, success, and even victory the lottery, simply by doing anything. It sounds like hardly nobody is aware of it. Unthinkable, but this age-old custom been changing people's lives with what you're about to discover is more than a straightforward trick, yet a method that blends spirituality, universal vitality, and purpose of this practice, in addition to enhances your relationship with prosperity, but it also aids in the removal of obstructions that might be keeping you from financial life from going in the proper direction. Day has a unique, energizing connotation, and your actions that day may be the key to opening doors that previously appeared securely shut if you believe you've tried everything but haven't succeeded yet. Obtained the outcomes you wanted this. This is the perfect video for you to see. We'll investigate together how Buddhist you can use wisdom to draw good fortune and wealth, yet it makes no difference. Whether you're already skeptical or not, have faith in the strength of energy. This information is useful, strong and available to everybody if you wish to access the abundance's energy. Click like and subscribe immediately. Subscribe to the channel and share your encouraging feelings. Please leave a comment here. I'm worthy. Wealth and success in my life. By working together, we may draw positive energy and further enhance this instruction. Strong enough for everyone. Have you ever pondered why certain individuals tend to draw easily achieving prosperity when others encounter ongoing obstacles in this ancient? The solution might lie in Buddhist doctrine. You're trying to find out how a simple rite carried out on the appropriate day can release the energy that surrounds you and provide access to finance chances, even unforeseen benefits like, yes, it is as powerful as winning the lotto as it seems, and what's even better is that it is applicable to everyone, even without any prior expertise in. This age-old tradition's spirituality has been changing lives. The key to this custom involves using a unique item that will be concealed in a strategic location, but why Buddhist teachings state that hiding at the correct moment something is similar to when a seed is planted in ideal soil, the surrounding energy begins to function in your favor, producing outcomes fast. It's not only about concealing a tangible object, but about hiding what you want from outside meddling and having faith in the universal procedure. Additionally, the finest aspect is that a lot of people who have complied with this practice report indications of success in the coming days, including unexpected prospects for financial gain or unexpected events that transformed their lives. The most crucial aspect of it all is about to begin. Begins with your Buddhism's visualizing goal is, what triggers this potent method? You don't have to practice Buddhism or a profound comprehension of spirituality. All you have to do to make this work is align yourself with the sincere intention of draw wealth and have faith in the consider this a special process. Chance to change your life. This ceremony can be performed with little effort, is clear-cut, easy to understand, and the best remarkably yields rapid outcomes when applied appropriately. Are you prepared to take this action to feel the power of this age-old Buddhist practice? Instructs the item selected for the ritual is important because it serves as a channel to draw in universal energy and focus it on a particular section of your. Here are 4 examples of items from life. Each was in line with a strong goal: financial success, love, and health and well-being in partnerships and defense against harmful energy. The A-ring is a common symbol of bonding, dedication and affection for those who want to enhance current connections, or this is the perfect way to attract new love. Object selects a ring that contains unique significance to you. whether it's a family heirloom or an illustration of the kind of relationship you've always wanted. Holding the ring while concealing it, envision the flow of love energy into imagine the life you're living. Happiness-filled moments, closeness and connection with someone, particularly if you're already in a connection. Picture it growing more harmonious, brimming with genuine love and trust. This goal is crucial to the program. The appropriately vibrating ring. When inside the ring, pick a peaceful and private setting that symbolizes the love's energy in your life. Keep in mind that the ring ought to be concealed until the universe begins to indicate that your intention is showing up. This method establishes a strong connection. Between the frequency of your energy and lovestones and crystals are renowned for their capacity to hold and intensify energy, which makes them perfect for rituals. Pertaining to well-being and health, a crystal like transparent quartz or amethyst. These stones are ideal for this use, represent energy and healing equilibrium, revitalization, assisting you in establishing a connection with your inside vitality prior to the crystal hold being concealed, while keeping in mind the goal of enhancing your well-being or recovering emotional equilibrium. Visualize yourself completely of vitality with a sound body and a serene. Keep in mind, if you're handling a particular problem, picture yourself conquering it. With courage and assurance when deciding where to conceal the crystal, select a location that symbolizes serenity and security, like next to a plant in a garden or a place you believe to be healing. An amulet, like a tiny protective depict a cross or possibly a piece of symbolic art, is perfect for preventing harmful energy and drawing defense. This item acts as a shield of energy, making you feel more secure and liberated from outside factors that could hold the amulet in while your energy is being depleted. Your hands before concealing it, and imagine a layer of protection surrounding you. Picture yourself encircled by an intense light that prevents any kind of consider scenarios with negative energy you wish to stay away from, or those who could be disrupting your tranquility, and envision the amulet, including these drives away the location where you're hiding. The strategic placement of the amulet should be where the energy is serene and difficult to disturb. A coin represents development, plenty and wealth through the practice of selecting a coin. The energy of your lit lally is being planted. Wealth into the cosmos. The coin symbolizes the tangible manifestation of what you want to draw in is money. Make sure the coin you're using holds unique significance for you or someone that represents your goal for financial development before concealing the currency and holding it in your palms, and picture wealth rushing into your life. Visualize yourself getting good financial news and getting a new job chances or perhaps obtaining the lottery. The more fervent your visualization, the more vitality you participate in the rite, which changes the coin into an attractive magnet. Funds and clearing all financial stagnation following the object's concealment. The secret location is crucial. This act of confidentiality generates an energizing layer of defense, as though protecting your want from outside sources. When placed correctly, a coin serves as a beacon, transmitting a distinct signal to the universe you're prepared to accept. The coin is one of the most abundant, strong items for directing the energy of wealth and success. It represents the flow of products and the steady stream of financial chances in the physical world. On the coin has an energy level that carries the growth, exchange, vibration, and abundance by including it into the ceremony. You change an ordinary, everyday object into the center of your financial goals when you're holding the coin, and imagine in your mind what you want for. You match your own prosperity with energy that vibrates with the money, delivering the universe a clear message: I am prepared to accept this act, since it establishes a magnetic field that draws in opportunities, clears the way, and hastens the emergence of plenty in your life, the coin's energy, and directly relates to the idea of value. When choosing one of the coins for the ritual, it's crucial to pick one that has particular meaning for you, either out of sentimentality or due to the fact that it symbolizes of monetary goals. This enhances your purpose, since the item already carries a sound that strikes a chord with your aspiration for expansion after HD in a distinct, where the coin starts to function as in scenarios when a powerful magnet is drawn, might aid in your financial development. This concealment represents faith in your intention is being protected by the universe from outside factors while permitting it to develop stones and crystals in silence. Have a distinct and magnifying energy, making them perfect for ceremonies, centered on well-being and health, as opposed to the coin that targets the substance. Crystals of prosperity operate on the level of vibration in the body and mind, encouraging harmony, healing, and balance. When a crystal like amethyst is in your hand, or transparent quartz, which absorbs and intensifies your intention's energy, which is why visualization is essential, because it programs the crystal with your own vibe, establishing a strong bond between, after being concealed, the cosmos and you. The gemstone is positioned strategically, continues to exude this healing energy, coordinating your mind and body with a condition of fullness and vitality. Conversely, protective amulets act as authentic energy shields made to prevent harmful vibrations. They produce a wall surrounding you that protects against detrimental effects. An amulet's energy is frequently connected to sentiments of security and ties to more powerful forces that safeguard and guide you when wearing an amulet. It absorbs your purpose during the process for defense and starts acting as the straightforward act of invisible fortress. Concealing it in a key location increases its strength by preventing extraneous forces from getting in the way of. In this manner, the amulet keeps secretly avoid situations with people and vibrations that might disturb your tranquility. The process of NT caring for the plant strengthens this link even more when you are actively enhancing its quality of life. Coordinating your endeavors to cultivate your monetary goals. Again, another great location for intentions pertaining to prosperity could be a safe place, as a safe box or a particular area of your house that represents steadiness in finances. Might be the location of your storage, crucial records, savings, or objects that are significant to you. Linking these to your token items generate a cycle of energy that safety and plenty in the corner itself should feel at ease, well organized and deliberate in order to reflect your desire for consistent financial growth. By selecting in this area, you're lining up the energetic and physical realms to assist your desires for goals associated with relationships and love. The place should create feelings of closeness, warmth, and areas in your house where you can connect that are calm and private, and they can naturally intensify your need for intimacy and, for instance, your emotional harmony bedroom, especially a nook where you preserving sentimental personal belongings is an dresser containing mementos is the perfect option. A nicely constructed bed with cozy linens, or a shelf with pictures and love-themed letters might all be used to as strategic sites. By putting a symbol, like a love charm, ring, or other symbolic item in a setting like this, you're incorporating your goals into a setting that conveys love and sentimental. Discuss the symbolism associated with these places. A table by the bed, for example, could represent a dedication to every night, contemplation and appreciation for love in your life. A place close to things like mutual or couples photos increases the vibration of collaboration and affection for one another. These areas serve as ongoing reminders of you want to cultivate love and connection, assisting in the manifestation of your sincere desires. But if your objective is defense against harmful forces, Select an area that is not accessible or seldom visited. It can be beneath a piece of furniture underground or next to a door, at locations on the earth that represent obstacles to exterior impacts when the thing is hidden. Don't forget to preserve the entire site. This isn't merely a practical secret. Visual specifics of your ideal world, but also visualization is more than just wishful thinking. It concerns turning it into something that changes the material by coordinating your thoughts and emotions. Combining energy with the universal flow of this intentional consciousness and concentrated action not only improves the strength of your ritual, but it also encourages a stronger bond with the current. Taking a moment to center your spiritual path in both purpose and deed by means of visualization, you enable yourself to make a manifestation and align with the unbounded energy that creates the world. To start, locate a peaceful area where you can concentrate without interruptions and maintain holding the selected item in your hands. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and visualize your preference for clear, detailed pictures. If it is prosperity, picture money coming into your life, paid your debts, and got new possibilities emerging. If it's love, capture happy times and emotional bond for well-being. You're full of vitality and vigor. Don't merely visualize things in your mind. Feel the happiness, thankfulness, and tranquility that come from accomplishing. These feelings will be brought about by this purpose. The fuel that makes your link to the energy of the universe during visualization to support your goals either aloud or mentally, utilizing constructive and expressions in the present tense, such as I am wealthy and draw plenty, easily, or I'm in good health, and my everyday words acquire new vitality, strength, and when recited with commitment, they strengthen your vibration. Transforming desire into possibility, actuality. These statements, in conjunction with visualization, generates a magnetic field that draws in exactly who you are. You can eventually let go of your passion by projecting to the cosmos with assurance that implies letting rid of any worry or anxiety. That Buddhism teaches that it won't happen. Detachment is necessary in order to permit energy to freely flow when you conceal the object. The visualization is finished by being thankful, as though you has previously been contented. Thankfulness is among the greatest effective techniques to increase your vibration and deepen your relationship with the universe. With this blend of transparent purpose, strong feelings, and sincere give up, and you'll be completely connected to all-encompassing energy and ready to receive the modifications you desire if you've made them. So far, you've made a remarkable progress. In the direction of changing it's time to put everything into life. Put into action and observe the outcomes of this potent lesson. Keep in mind the key is in your purpose and the relationship you establish with the cosmos. Carry out the rite. Have faith in the procedure and be prepared to receive everything that the cosmos has planned for. If this information struck a chord with you and assisted you in remembering to click the like button to subscribe to the channel. Switch on alerts. Let's generate a surge of positive vibes together. Please leave a comment. Below, I merit wealth and success. I am eager to learn more about your outcomes and the amazing energy you'll draw attention. See you soon. But